Hi everyone. IBPS has released the recruitment notification to fill up the clerk vacancies in various PSU banks. Those who are interested, let us go into the details. Here is the important dates about this recruitment process. The online registration process will start from 2nd September 2020 and the last date to apply online is 23rd September 2020, and the application fees also should have to pay in between these two dates, 2nd September to 23rd September, and the online preliminary examination will be conducted in the month of December 2020 in these three dates, and the online main examination will be conducted in the month of January 2021. And IBPS clerk selection process involves two phases. Phase 1 is online preliminary examination and phase 2 is main examination. The preliminary examination will be conducted for only qualifying purpose. The candidates who has qualified in the preliminary examination are eligible to take main examination, and after that, depending on the number of state-wise vacancies, cut-off marks will be decided and candidates will be considered for provisional allotment based on the cut-off marks and vacancies, and finally provisional allotment as clerks in the participating PSU banks on merit basis. Application fee to apply for IBPS clerk jobs is for SC/ST candidates and reserved candidates 175 rupees, and for all other candidates 850 rupees. And the eligibility criteria to apply for IBPS clerks is the age of the applicant should be between 20 years and 28 years as on 1st September 2020. The applicant should have born between September 2nd, 1992 to 1st September 2000, and there will be age relaxation for other people. For SC/ST 5 years, OBC 3 years, physically handicapped 10 years, ex-serviceman 5 years. The educational qualification of the applicant should be any graduate from the recognized university, and the candidate must possess the valid mark sheet or degree certificate. Otherwise, final result should have been declared on or before 29th September 2020. These are the participating banks under this recruitment process: IBPS clerk, Bank of Baroda, Canara Bank, IOB, UCO Bank, Bank of India, Central Bank of India, Punjab National Bank, Union Bank of India, Bank of Maharashtra, Indian Bank, Punjab and Sindh Bank. The exam pattern for preliminary examination will be like this. There will be 100 questions. These questions will be asked from these three sections: English language 30 questions, numerical ability 35, and reasoning ability 35 questions will be asked, and the time duration of the preliminary examination is 1 hour, and the candidates have to qualify in each of the three sections. The exam pattern of main examination for IBPS clerk is like this, and there will be 190 questions will be asked from these four sections: general financial awareness and general English, reasoning ability and computer aptitude, and quantitative aptitude, and there will be negative marking for wrong answers. Before going to apply online, the applicant should have to keep all these details with them to apply online without any interruption. First of all, they have to scan the photocopy and signature, left thumb impression, and handwritten declaration form. Handwritten declaration form will be like this, and keep the necessary details to pay the online fee, and also have one personal email ID to get intimations regarding the recruitment process. I am going to show you how to apply online. First of all, go to the website ibps.in, and there you can find in the left hand side CRP Clerical. Click on that button. It will open this window. There you can find this one, and you can get this window. Here you have to click here for new registration button. And then you can get the instructions, candidate instructions. Please read those instructions and then click on continue. In this window, you have to fill the basic information of the applicant and then upload the photo and signature, and then fill the required details whatever they have asked there, and then preview the filled application whether they are correct or not, and then upload the remaining scanned copies and then pay the online fee. This is how you have to apply online. Take the printout of the application form. I have mentioned the step-by-step procedure to apply online. First you have to go to the website www.ibps.in, whichever I have shown in the previous steps. The same thing I have mentioned here. Then upload the scanned copies and recheck the filled details and pay the application fee and finally submit. After submitting the application, take the printout of e-receipt and online application form for future reference. Under this recruitment, they have mentioned very less vacancies this time, 1500 plus like that. And also you have to notice some of the banks are not reported the vacancy details due to corona situations. They may later fill the vacancies based on requirement after recruitment process. And these are the examination centers for preliminary examination and main examination. In Andhra Pradesh, these are the examination centers for prelims, and for main examination these are the centers. For Telangana, these are the preliminary exam centers, and this is Hyderabad is the main examination center. Like this I have mentioned for all other states also. Once again, check the important dates about this recruitment process. Those who are interested to apply for these jobs, check the notification details and apply online before the last date, 23rd September 2020. Thanks for watching.